Hey, how you doing? This is Tom again, and I wanted to do a little more information giving on this XHDATA D-318B. Here it is on Amazon, $16.98. It's on sale right now. It says you save $3 as a Prime member. So that's maybe why I got it for $16.98 and Tadabert had to pay $19.98. That might be the difference. Okay. Anyway, I now have it hooked up to my PC to look at the TF card in the radio. And as Tadabert had mentioned, you need a good cable that has both power and USB interface. So I got that hooked up right now. I want to show you what you see. So I'll go to my file manager here, and there it is down there. And it has created, or had, two subdirectories. The JL is the recorded files. I recorded a couple of short files, or attempted to. And then this Chinese directory is the ones, the audio that's pre-recorded on the TF card they give you. So I'll just show you that real quick. Again, it's all in Chinese, all the file names, and there's, I think he said there's 100. They put 100 files, and these are all in Chinese, of course. And so you could, now that I have this hooked up to my computer, I could play back those files on my computer. Now, one thing that kind of blew me away again is I went to play back one of these files and there was no audio. And I'm like, what is wrong with this? And so then I went up to this directory, and here's the 3 WAV files I recorded or attempted to record. And again, there's no audio. Well, what happens is when you hook up the radio to your computer via a data cable, not just power, it not only lets you see what's on the TF card, it's now using the radio as your audio output. So I had to turn the audio up on the radio to hear these files from my computer. And I've got one, and they're not recorded very loud. I didn't have the audio very high from my Grundig Satellite 800 that I had it hooked up to. But here's one file, and I see if I can, we turn the audio up on the radio. Or did I turn it down? I guess I turned it down. So I'll turn it all the way up, and then I'll play back this file. The audio is real low because I didn't.
And this is what is acceptable to God when we do come to remember.
I didn't have the audio output of the radio very high. So that's why it didn't record very loud. Let me turn the volume up a little more and see if you can hear it. I'll hold it up to my microphone.
This is what is acceptable to God when we do come to remember.
So that is a file that I used the auxiliary input to the radio to record. Pretty cool. I didn't try, I don't know what these other two are, but they're real short, so I'm not sure what they were. I was just playing around trying to use, I forgot how to use this thing. It's got so many features. But anyway, I wanted to show you that feature that you can, with the proper USB cable, not the one they give you. I don't know why they don't give you the right one. Play back or see the files on your computer and play them back, and add, you can add files to the SD card or TF card while it's in the radio. That's it. I am totally blown away. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.